Hey guys, Dr. Josh Jagoda here, and today we're going to get into a review of the Hyperice Hypervolt. And I've been using this for about 2 to 3 weeks now, and I really like it, but I did want to give a review because some people out there are like, should I buy it, should I not? I'm getting some questions, and as somebody who uses ART, grass, and vibration tools all day, that's what I do, this is just a good kind of tool in your toolbox to have. So first things first, if you look on the front, it says vibration massage device. So it's being marketed as a vibration device, right? It's a vibration massage device is what it says. It is not a percussor gun. And there are two real differences. The vibration adds an intense kind of shaking vibration, whereas a muscle percussor kind of hits the muscles a little bit harder. So you'll see what I'm talking about when we come up to the Tim Tam, and I've showed that in the past. But anyway, so like I said, I really like it because one, it's very lightweight. It's I think 2.5 pounds. Yes, 2.5 pounds or 1.1 kilogram. It has these pieces that pop open right away. So there's multiple pieces. There's this piece. There's a prong, and I'll just show you them real quickly. But at the end of the day, guys, it's a really great type of device. It'll come with kind of the golf ball head, which is what you see on most of them. You have this bullet type thing, which is getting into finer kind of areas. You have the prong that I was talking about that comes with it. And of course, finally, having a tough time getting this one out. But, of course. But it also comes with the charger, its own charger, and of course, like I said, the ball here. So what I like about the ball here is that it is really pretty wide. It's pretty large, and it looks to be a little bit larger than this one. And this, which is the good thing, so you probably can't see that with my black background, but if you see the difference, like look at this one versus this one, there you go. So you can see the difference there. What I like about that, so if you're really sore or something like that, or maybe you just did a heavy leg day, this would be a really good one. Whereas if you're really, pretty good and you really want to get into a deeper area, that bullet one or that localized one will be good. And I like to use the prongs on the spine. And those people who maybe don't want to get adjusted, but you want to add a little bit of impulse and mobilization to that area. This is the go-to piece. You can kind of work it flat, you can work it on an angle, so you can kind of get a little bit of piece. The battery is this itself. It also does have a rubber grip. What I really like about this grip is that it is long, so if you see it's like L-shaped, right? And I'm not the most flexible person in the world, but if I turn it on and I kind of go like this, I can actually get down and massage myself going this way, so I can get quite far down without actually having to do much within this vicinity. Here's the charger here, and I'm gonna charge this one. I'm gonna show you what it looks like real quick when I charge it up, and then I plug it in, so you can kind of see maybe that it's on. It gives an indicator light that it's charging. So I'm gonna leave that there right now for a quick second. What I'll show you also is that I have their other product, the Hyperice Hypervolt, Hyperice Viper 2.0, which has the same insertion of that charging piece, right? Same design, same mechanism, same on-off switch, same battery power marking, and same darn button to open it up. And they feel very similar. The one interesting thing that I didn't like about the Hyperice Hypervolt versus this one is you would think that the same piece and the same charger would be interchangeable. And maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I just have a defective product on terms of that. I doubt it. But I cannot charge the Viper to the Hypervolt or the Hypervolt to this. So essentially, if I need both of these products to come with me on a fitness show, on maybe I'm working the sidelines, maybe I'm at a rock and roll marathon, whatever it is, triathlon, whatever it is, like I said, I need to bring 2 different chargers for this, which is kind of annoying, to be honest. I really thought that, that they would be able to provide one charger can charge both things. And, one would say, like, well, you should be having both. Yeah, I should. But if one crops out on me or gets stepped on or stolen, you know, I would like to be able to have both. And maybe it's the wrong idea, maybe, but whatever. I thought that with the same exact insertion and same exact prong and outlet and everything, and probably the same lithium-ion battery, that you would expect that to happen. But anyway, this, again, a muscle percussor, like I said, is totally different, and you can hear how loud, and it kind of does more of a punching, whereas the vibration of the Hyperice Hypervolt is really different, and it's a lot more, I guess you could say, smooth. It's a lot more fine. It's a lot more rhythm. One of the negatives that I've heard in other reviews is that the motor's not strong enough for you to actually lay into somebody, or into, like, let's just say their quads or their glutes or their shoulders, and actually have that actually, you know, do that. And I found that to be false, actually. So you can, with the Hyperice Hypervolt, actually lay into people a little bit more. A lot of people are like, well, it's just to use on the surface and let the weight of the tool. You could actually apply some force into it, into the muscles and into the body, and actually not have that decreased performance within the motor. Yeah, will it tax the motor? Well, yeah, of course it will. But that's the point of the gun, is to tax the motor and not your hands, right? So I do like it. I think it's a great tool, and this is the on button. I'm not going to show you all that, but I'm just going to drop it. So here's 1, 2, and 3, and you can hear the difference. Oh, popped off. It never happens because I didn't put it on right, so that's my fault. There we go. So here's 1, 2, 3, and you can. It's a lot quieter. This one, I believe, will give me about 30 to 40 minutes of use. This one is said to have approximately 3 hours of use. So I would highly recommend, if you're somebody out there that needs physical therapy, needs manual muscle work, and maybe you can't get to a physical therapist, maybe you're an athlete, maybe you're somebody learning how to recover, this is definitely probably more than likely the best tool on the market that I've seen, especially for the cost, the price, its smoothness. It is, again, more of a vibration technology than it is a muscle percussor, but because you are able to kind of drive the tool deep into the muscle, you'll be able to get some of that percussive technology. It's almost like a hybrid between vibration and the muscle percussor, because I have used another pure vibration technology in the past, and this doesn't seem, it seems like it's in the middle, which again I really like, so it gives that vibration part and, in my opinion, a little bit of that muscle percussor part. So highly recommend this. Definitely give it a try. Hopefully somebody can get back to me, whether it's you guys out there or Hyperice themselves, about what's going on with that charger, because it would be really awesome to not need 2 different chargers, because I do plan on getting a lot more of these, and possibly these in the future, and if one goes missing, I don't need to be chasing down a bunch of chargers or buying a bunch of accessories because one broke. So somebody get back to me on that. Alright guys, I'm Dr. Josh Jagoda. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.